It's a very special place where they look at all the satellites. Quite exciting. Well, I finished school about 30 years ago. I'm still young. And since then, a lot of things has changed. Not only the climate, but also what the climate does to people. Where you live, what does it do to economy, to food, to health. And that's where satellites come in, because it's so important to measure what's going on, and so you can model what's predicted for the future, and then you can act. We need to act for safety, for health, for economic, for food. Well, communicating about climate nowadays is pretty difficult because things go on, but it's kind of frightening. But we still need to explain what's going on and how to act, but also have eye for the emotions. What does it do with people, and how can we help people to see that there is a perspective? We can leave this world behind better than we got it, but we have to work for it.